Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nails Art. Today I want to show you some unique and special designs for nails. Please subscribe my channel firstly to get latest videos. Now let's start the video. You can see here pink color on nails. It's a shiny look and looking so beautiful and gorgeous. Here you can see black color on nails looking so perfect and pretty. Black is a beautiful color. Here you can see light gray shade on nails. It's a mute color and looking so decent and charming. White is a beautiful color for nails. Glitter adds more beauty in it. Sky blue and transparent combination looking perfect on nails. Little lines looking also good. Here you can see different colors on nails looking so pretty and looking like a rainbow's color. Now you are seeing a mute shade on nails looking so perfect and decent. You can see some additional colors on it. You can see brown and orange with white combination. Maroon is a perfect shade for nails looking so gorgeous and smooth and decent. Brown is also a perfect shade for nails. Brown with the little leaves looking so perfect on nails. You can see here different colors on nails. It's a very beautiful nail art. Yellow and green combination looking perfect. It's a very charming nail art. Blocks adds more beauty. Red and transparent combination on nails with a small heart looking so funky and pretty. Again you can see brown shade on nails. Here is add white combination in it. You can see white color with the little touch of black looking so perfect and unique design. Here you can see a mute color on nails. It is looking so decent and charming, looks so funky. Here you can see green and white combination on nails. It looks always very good and decent. Now you are seeing white and pink combination with little beads on nails looking perfect. Now you are seeing again a tricky nail art. It's looking so light and beautiful. Pink is another a beautiful color for nails looking so decent and charming. Brown is a perfect color for nails. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Bye.